let's quickly start making this delicious hot chocolate. For this I have taken 1 cup milk. Please note the size of this coffee mug. It's double the size of the normal cup. So I have taken this coffee mug. Now the rest of the ingredients needed are 1 teaspoon Cadbury cocoa powder. Make sure that you buy this Cadbury cocoa powder only. It has a very strong flavor. As it is unsweetened cocoa powder, so we'll be adding sugar too. The next ingredient is coffee. This is the Nescafe coffee. I have taken 2 pouches here, that is 1.5 teaspoon. Now 3 teaspoon sugar. This is granulated sugar. You can even take the powdered sugar as well. And half teaspoon corn flour. So this is the important ingredient here. Please note the size of my teaspoon. It is the regular size of the spoon. Now you need to take a small bowl. Combine all the ingredients in it, including sugar, cocoa powder, coffee and the corn flour. After you have combined it well, give a quick mix now. This rich and creamy hot chocolate is very easy to make and has intense chocolate flavor. Now you need to take a saucepan and turn on the gas and add milk to it. So now you can add all the mixed ingredients to it. Meanwhile, start stirring it well so that no lumps are formed here. Keep doing this for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Kids, adults, oldies, everyone loves hot chocolate and it's the best way to get rid of that winter blues. As the boil has come now, simmer it for 5 minutes. So you need to keep it on sim. Keep stirring occasionally here. Let the corn flour cook well. As we have added corn flour here, so we need to let it cook properly for at least 5 minutes. Now the mixture will turn a bit thick and creamy. So the texture is perfect now, and after 5 minutes you need to taste it once to check the sugar and the coffee. So it's ready now. So you can enjoy this hot chocolate with your family, guys. Pour in your favorite cups. So it will be made only 2 cups or a bigger 1 cup only. Garnish with the chocolate syrup. I have used here Hershey's chocolate syrup pouch. And your hot chocolate is ready to be served. Hope you like this video of mine, guys, and if you like it, please hit the like button, click on subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon for regular notifications. Do let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. Till then, take care, bye.